Hi lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Manta. If you're new here, you are more than welcome. Please do want to click on that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, that way you get notified every time we upload a new video, which is at least once every week. So today the boys are on holiday and we are on our way to an event that has been made available by the local clinic in our area. So it's holding at the Methodist church, so that's where we're going. The boys are all dressed up in red and mom is trying to match the color theme here with this outfit I got from Temu. What's funny? Alright you guys, we're on our way out. We will catch up with you in the course of the vlog. Remember to like, share and
subscribe.
Thank you. Remember to subscribe. It's very important. Daniel is begging. Daniel is saying subscribe. Yes, please do subscribe to our channel. It helps us. And we'll see you because of the vlog. Bye. Hi lovelies, and welcome back to this segment of the video. This segment has been proudly sponsored by Manta Sleep, and they've sent me this silk eye mask to try out in the video today. So Manta Sleep deal with gadgets like this that just help you turn out distracting noises and bright lights and just help you sleep and have a very restful night. So this particular one they sent me is their silk mask, and you guys, the quality of this is unreal. The mask itself is made with 100% pure silk and it's gentle and delicate around your eyes. The mask is ultra breathable, so you have no tension or this strong pull on your forehead, and it leaves your skin feeling cool all through the night, no sweating at all. And you're also guaranteed 100% true blackout for a deeper sleep. You guys, I've said too much. Let's just unbox this thing and see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It has the Manta logo on there. And what I love about this eye mask itself is that this Velcro is not something that will catch in your hair. It's not something that will catch in your hair. So if you have like natural hair or wigs like this and you tend to sleep with it, it will not grip your hair. So that's one thing that I really love about it. I also love the fact that it is adjustable. So the Velcro itself adheres to this side, and according to the width of your head, that is how you're going to stick this on, and it leaves no tension, you guys. Also, a further probe into the mask itself, it has these 2 suction cups for your eyes, and I love the fact that this is so different from the eye masks that we get from like the airport, and that's the ones that I've been using for quite some time now. With this one, your eyes are cradled in these cups and you get to experience true blackout. Another great thing about it is that these are detachable, so you can take them out and wash them once they get dirty, or you're like me and you sometimes forget to take off your makeup. But anyway, that's that about the eye mask. The eye mask also comes with this bag that you can use as a travel bag for the mask. Another thing that I love about this mesh bag that this eye mask comes in is this cute little pocket for this amazing tool that they've sent with the eye mask itself. So in addition to the eye mask, you also get matching earplugs to just tune out noises in the background and you can just get to sleep. You guys, this is everything that comes in the box. If you guys are looking to go on their website as well, they have a ton of other options that you can choose from. They also have one that comes with like soothing sounds, so when you are ready to sleep, you put that on and you can get to listen to soothing sounds that will help you truly tone your body down and you'll get you into sleep mood a lot quicker. All right you guys, so if you're considering purchasing this product, you can use my unique link in the description box. It will take you directly to the website. Also, you can use my discount code upon checkout, and my discount code is Tola Lusi as displayed on your screen. You guys do that to benefit from amazing discounts and shop your amazing collection for really truly deep sleep. All right you guys, thank you so much for watching this segment of the video. Let's get on with the rest of today's video.
So you guys, the program started with a session of face painting, and of course the boys went with the Spider-Man face paint. It turned out right. They both love Spider-Man. It's all the rave right now and I don't blame them. So after that, we went to the next table, which was just a session of demonstrations for the boys, and it was just teaching them how to properly brush their teeth, the right order to brush their teeth, what to look out for, what to spot, the areas that need a little more concentration and things like that. So after the session, they gave them stickers for participation. They also got a care pack each, and that was actually quite nice to see. I wasn't expecting that. So anyway, Asha got the Minecraft sticker and Daniel got the penguin sticker, and then afterwards we stayed around in that area for a while, and then it was time to go out back the other way around to the recreational area where they had a little more activities. We'll unbox what is in their care pack when we get home, so you guys stick around for that. So this section was where they had the most fun. I would say that this is one thing that I'm really glad that I came out for today. Asha especially was happy about the football section because he's really into football and he really loved this section. Daniel could not be bothered. He was really all about the other bits that were flying around. So he was with the other instructors with the small toys, the bicycles, the toys, the scooters, and the other things. I also got to unwind with a friend who came along for the event as well. She also brought her boys, and we just had a good time vibing. And this is something I really love to see, because anytime I'm off duty and my shifts aligns with, programs like this, I always try to unwind myself just so that I do not lose myself to routine. And it's good to see. Anyway, you guys, the boys had fun. I'm telling you, Asha did not leave this football field. I literally had to drag him. After everybody had left, he was the only one still playing because the boy is just into soccer, football. Anyway, I went to the section where they had bubbles on the stand, and my inner Agbaya came out because, bubbles it has an effect on you. Anyway, I played with this bubble, and this was the only pink one left on the table, and I snagged it. I took it with my full chest. I wasn't the only one. My friend was also there playing like a child, and we just had fun. Honestly, I was really excited that I came out eventually for this program, because it wasn't just the boys that got to just unwind. It was a different experience for me as well, because I just got to do something a little different. Then we went back in to just gather ourselves. There were some indoor toys and games to play as well.
I'm finally at home now. They were literally begging them to take more than one ball each. They were begging them to take more than one bubble. So each person has like more than one bubble. Each person also has
this one. It's that cut.
They also got some free toys. Daniel, did you have fun?
Yes.
Anyway, you guys, the time right now was something around past 3, and I still hadn't eaten, but I just wanted to make myself something to just snack on before I went ahead to make lunch or dinner. It was dinner actually. But anyway, you guys, I'm just making myself a batch of smoothie here. I have done this unboxing from Protein World. They sent me this vanilla caramel delight smoothie blend, and I'm just going to be putting a dose or a capsule of the hunger buster into the smoothie as well, and give that a good shake. This just it helps suppress hunger and all of that, so it has been helping with weight loss. As usual, if you guys are interested in this Protein World shake, the link to that will be in the description box. Please go ahead, click on that and get yourself.
You guys, let me show you the things we got from the event. Each boy got a bag like this. If you are struggling to hear me, the air fryer is on and I'm just making some chips for the boys. Each boy gets a timer like this. There's also a pamphlet on all about the tooth. The kit also comes with an eraser shaped in the form of a tooth and a pencil. Last but not the least, each child gets a brush. So on our way out, they were handing out these masks for free, and there were different characters. There was some for giraffes, cartoon characters like Superman, Batman, Spider-Man, but the boys chose these. Daniel took this and Asha took these, and these are just the Ninja Turtles. So Daniel's favorite color is blue, and he picked that one, and Asha's favorite color is red, so he picked that one. Daniel also picked up some books, and these are just introductory books to people who are learning how to read like himself. Daniel is starting to love his alphabet, so he picked this one that is all about the letter D, and it just emphasizes the word D and animals, things that start with D. He also got one with T. So he picked these two books to read over the weekend or over the holiday. Asha also picked one of these, and this is from the Horrid Henry series, and this is something that he's been really getting into these days. He would literally just pick up a book and start reading and won't drop it until he's done reading. So he's picked out this one to, you know, obviously continue with the habits, and I'm here for it. Honestly, I'm not even complaining. It is something that I want to encourage, so I wasn't left out. So I picked up this really cute ornament, and it was for 10p. I didn't leave the house with my wallet. I only went with my card, and obviously I'm not going to go through all that stress for card, so they let me have it for free. And this is just an artificial cactus. This is a purple cactus. I was also given this really cute spider plant. This is one that was propagated from cotton, and look at how cute it is. I have that really big one over there by the window, and I picked that up also for free at a charity shop. This lady was asking me if I wanted in-house plants or indoor plants, and I said yes, why not, I would love some. And she said which one. I said a spider plant, and she gave it to me. But over the summer, this plant has flourished so much. It has gone so green. Please ignore, please. My content in this holiday, you people are just going to help me to manage it a lot, because I cannot be doing too much work with editing. The stress that this editing is going to give to me, you guys, you don't even know the half of it. So I was given this spider plant for free, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to put this somewhere in my room so that it's close to me. I think I have a flower pot that would suit this one. They also gave me a leaflet on how to care for it. I mean, it's the attention to details for me, you guys.
The boys were also given a ball each, and they picked their favorite colors. They were also given 2 bubbles each, and mommy also got a bubble as well. So you guys, that is everything we were given.
Thank you so much for spending the day with us. I will have to end this vlog here because strength and power. I'm also babysitting for a friend. She was also at the function, or should I say event. She just came back from night shift, and she was so determined to bring her son to this event, but then she had to go home and rest. And I'm like, not with this child, bring him, because I didn't go to work yesterday and I'm not going today, so why not let him spend some time with me. And besides, it's like my third baby. He's a boy as well, so you can say technically in this UK that I have like 3 sons, because this boy is always in my house and I love to have him around. You guys, thank you so much for spending the day with us. So if you've loved watching this video to this point, please do want to give us a huge thumbs up. It does a lot to help our analytics and also get other people to see this video. Do want to leave me a comment. It does a lot to, you know, encourage me and let me know what you guys love, if you have any questions or things like that. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Please ignore the noise.